Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant and Voice Match. Make sure that Hey Google function is enabled. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and also enable assistant responses on lock screen. When it's done, simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's 57 and mostly cloudy. Today it'll be partly cloudy with a high of 60 and a low of 40.
What's the weather like today in Celsius?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 16 degrees Celsius and a low of 4. Currently it's 14 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.